Hello, my dear Rashi. Neha. First of all, I wish you and your family good health in the event of epidemic. I am Abdul Rahman. I am in Bangladesh. I am trying to read your class very carefully every day. I could not make a good quality this related paper because my country some internet is not good working. I am now stay in our village, so I will always practice this subject because this subject my useful in my research related. So today my discuss dust type detection using various machine learning technique. Two guys presented Mr. Tawfiq Rahman and me, Andy Abdul Rahman. My student ID 319034. So now going to my today discuss dataset abstraction. Firstly, some discuss abstract or keyword. Machine learning tools is most important aspect of data mining. Determine science glass and compost fuel and impure materials segregation. Impure materials segregation. Glass type can be done faster and best accuracy report. We present pragmatic solution. Glass type determination using the machine learning, data exploration, data visualization. So some keyword use. Firstly, some keyword use data mining, glass type, data exploration, data visualization. So here data set. Description. I'm searching some website and dataset content total 230 row and 10 column including column category or attribute and ID column. Application various machine learning technique. It gives the intuition that having this animal and particular data set videos of machine learning. For forest and neural network for glass type detection of data set based on the data set statistics visualization technique have trained our model in such a way that the cold and significant tool of future detection of any glass type that presented in the data set. Now dataset description. Dataset was collected from www.kagle.com UCCOM glass and including some ID and attribute information, ID number, reference index, sodium, silicon, then calculum, barium and iron. Glass type category attribute this here. So now my next raw data set. This complete searching my Anaconda firstly running and then go data processing. Firstly check our new ready using info build check null rule or any missing value in the data set where our says. The figure below show that no null value were found the data set. What from the data set? Data set segmented from the type of column, and this is figure, and data set segmentation nullity set. Or next data statistics, the data statistics, and now calculation data calculation is null value check or calculation of variable as row. This here is now separation categories below face. For observing the statistical properties of the data, have a segment categorical attribute from the data set. And now my last figure show data visualization. Data visualization. For this figure here, data visualization for observation the data distribution and calculation among the data. We use the diagram with the plot indicate this plot indicate, and dialog plot indicate historical data distributed. For finding the outlet data, we use to same plot. This figure scatter plot, and box plot. This is box plot, and going to box plot from where figure 6 up slide 6 above. Notice a strong positive calculation among the reference tube indents RI and CA mentioned clear. On the other hand, all and as I show more negative calculation with respect to row. The dialog plot show the data, the attributes are not properly distributed. Thus show data either right or negative scale for visualization outline and data distribution. Row 25 and 50 and 75 particular box plot. This one deploy. From above box plot figure 7 number up slide, and foreign here figure out except magnesium all attribute content outlet, or 50% value or below 3.5. In case barium all value here is the uniform attribute. And now going to data processing. After statistical analysis and visualization, several system operation normalized using minimax scalar function provided by the second library. Remove the unnecessary data. For following figure show the final data set that was used the training and testing classes, and then firstly show normalized data set, reduce skewness, more removing outlets, removing unnecessary future. Normalized data set is below. Here removing and unnecessary. And classifier, decision tree, random forest, and random forest, and final data set testing, artificial neural network apply, and though going to experiment with different classifier, decision tree algorithm, random forest algorithm, neural network algorithm. For our experiment, we have decided the data set into 10 test sample. The 10 test ratio was 70-30. That was 70% the data sample were used to training and 30% were of testing. We keep the random state as 0 since will give used to constant score every time we run our model. The following performs a different classifier wire observation, and then so here score of neural network and confuse matrix and confuse matrix here. Accuracy, micro average, weight average, weight average. And now whatever performance analyze and random forest. The above figure, this is above figure random forest algorithm, this is decision tree algorithm apply, or this is neural network algorithm apply. And now above figures show 10 accuracy cross check. Performance matrix of the figure, performance matrix of the observed, the accuracy on the test set is the 0.98. The F1 score on the class type 6 is 0.67, which is not of the mark order. F1 score is always type from the confused matrix. Or now performance analysis and neural network. This paper, neural network, from the above figure, we observe the training score and performance matrix of the neural network. The training score of overall accuracy on the test set 0.97. This class type in confusion matrix. However, now score of neural network is 1.0. Performance neural network score or the types as 2.3 and 7. Celebrity less random forest network. And now going to k-fold cross validation check. A k-fold cross validation check helps to select the best model that can be used for unseen data. Decision cross validation score is this result. Random forest cross validation is this result. Neural network cross validation is 0.967441604651163. The above figure show 5-fold cross validation check for performance of the 3 algorithm we have used. It is observed that the highest score is imposed the decision tree classifier. However, the score provided by the cross validation check strictly less than accuracy score of model. Let's go now. My PPT or my presentation, explain this paper. And now some although random forest is improved version for the decision tree algorithm, it for experience single decision tree model performs the best. This might be for that decision tree could be right choice among those three model predicting future unseen data. Another important thing, notice that the data description table non 230 types replacement data type particular window is successfully neglect this type during training and the test phase. Now my whole presentation discuss or show my all result PPT, this PPT. So my presentation is almost finished, and thank you so much, Laoshi. Good opportunity is long time. Your video learn, your good working. Thank you so much, Laoshi. Thank you so much, Laoshi.